How to create presentation using Canva AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning presentation using Canva AI tools. Whether you are preparing for school projects, a business pitch, or anything in between, Canva makes it easy to design professional slides in minutes. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the canva.com and there sign in or create a free account. And once you are logged in, you can see the option labeled as Canva AI at the top. So simply click on that. And here once you click on that, you'll see the interface like this. Now, here is the thing. Magic Design in Canva AI Power Tools can help you to create presentation in seconds. So simply click on the option labeled as Design for Me. And once you click on that, tons of options will pop up. From there, you can see the option labeled as Presentation. So simply click on that. And now after that, simply type a prompt on your presentation topics. So for this video, I'm gonna simply type marketing plan for 2025. And once you enter and give it a prompt, you just have to wait for some time to let it generate your presentation. And after that, Magic Design will generate a selection of customizable templates tailored to your topic. Now, it's a game changer for quickly getting started with your presentation. Now, here among the templates, you can simply select the template that you like. And here, once you have selected the template, you can edit it to your needs if you like to. To do that, you just have to click on the edit button or select the template that you like. And once you have selected the template that you like, you can give the prompt to the AI tools to automatically customize your presentation. Or if you want to adjust the design manually, you can just click on Use Canva Editor button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. Now here you can edit anything to your need. You can edit the text, you can change the font size, change the graphic images, or even add the video if you like. And once you're done with all that, you can simply click on the share button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, you can simply download your presentation or share it if you want to. And that's it. That's how you can create a presentation using the Canva AI. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.